funny. I'm just showing our PizzaQue for the first PizzaQue pizza of the season. As you're trimming, so no one can hear nothing. There's Teresa trimming away. First PizzaQue of the season. We're preparing our first PizzaQue pizzas of the year. They look good, Tack. Hopefully they come out good. This is our New York style pizza though, by the way, Tack. And just to try out, we got a stone in the oven too. We're gonna try that one also. Okay, I'm gonna go start baking some. Alright, so our PizzaQue oven is, I think the temperature is really good. There we go. Let's put it in. 700. Seems good to me. Let's try. There's the first one. There's the second one ready. There's number 3. I'll put it in the sun. There. Number 3. Number 3. This is number 4. I think this one's number 5. I'm gonna take the paper off in 2 seconds. So there's the paper. I just took it off after a few seconds, just so then it helps me put it on, because we have to make so many pizzas at once. Now in about 30 seconds, I'm gonna spin it around. Another 30 seconds around, and it should be ready. Temperature's above 700. Okay, pizza 1 is ready. Looks pretty good, huh? Looks nice and bubbly. And then this one's going in. I just tried the first pizza. It's so good. What beer am I drinking? Space Invader. That's from Amsterdam Brewery. There's number 2. Ah, really? Let's put number 3 in. Once you get the hang of it, it's quick, eh? It's quick. Don't mind the paper catching on fire, it's fine. As you get to like the 5th, 6th pizza that you're baking, you're gonna notice that it bakes a lot quicker. So you just keep an eye on it. It's better. It's better. You can bake a lot more. So no problem. Because now the oven's it's hot. It's groving. It's booming. It's kicking ass. Pizzas look great. So when you take the pizza out, I use this like to take the paper off. I take it out. I just gently pull the paper out, and if there's any little burnt papers around it, you just take it away, and that's it. I put the pizza back in. It's very easy. Very easy. And I got the other ones ready. There was the number 3. Look how nice. Okay, let's put number 4 in. I think that's our 6th or 7th. I don't know. I lost track, but it came out great. Look at that. Look at it. Can you see that? They're gorgeous. Oh my God, this one came out the best. Little piece of paper. That's all right. Oh, look how nice. This one's for me. I'm gonna crisp it up a little bit extra.
3 slices. Before before everyone started their first.
And there's our sixth. Beautiful. All right, we'll try this one next.
Pressing it down there.
I was gonna tell you to put, you put it on the rest?
Yes, I did, my love. I put it in. It's in there. It's on convection. It's on the stone. The stone's been in there for an hour. Temperature's at 550. Well, not probably less now that I had it open. Here we go. All right. So there it is, Tat. It's in the oven. It's on the stone. It's been an hour. Blah blah blah. It's 550 because that's all the stupid oven goes to. The other one's the PizzaQue outside, 700 plus. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. Of course. Look how beautiful. Nice. Great dough, Tad. Great dough. All right, so it turns out the pizza stone in the oven is just it's even better. Look at that. Holy shit, that's fucking amazing. Holy moly. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, I gotta take it out before it burns, but look at it. Wow. Wow. Okay, I need to, it's Grill Pro. But you can, it's Grill Pro Pizza Stone. There, simple. I think it was like 20 bucks Canadian. That's like $8 American. See? If you use it in the barbecue, use it upside down. That's what they're saying. All right, let's get this pizza out. Look at this.
I told you that you were annoying.
I'm trying to do this with one hand because my family's not helping me. Look at that.
You know what, Dad? You didn't ask me.
Beautiful. Look at that pizza. You gotta buy another 2 stones.
I would at work.
There you go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and happy Canada Day, everybody. I'm hungry now. I gotta go eat. Look at all these pizzas I gotta eat. All right.
Sometimes they look like an apple watch. Like family looks like an apple watch.
All right. I need 2 hands. Brio, everybody. Ciao. Happy Canada Day.
Back in the bowls.
Marcello's gonna be a competitor eater.
Yep.
What do you think of the pizzas, Marcello?
Eater, you mean not a competitor eater?
I didn't have any.
But they look good though. That's what counts. And whenever you're ready for it, we're gonna.
If there's a couple left over later on, which I highly doubt, but if there is like one left over, then
Yeah, they won't be.
It was super fabulous, kid. Look how great it is. All right, I'm gonna get the last one out, and then I'm gonna enjoy it. See, our first PizzaQue of the year.
now smelling it, I kind of want it.
Attaboy.
Doesn't matter.
I don't know how you're not. Honestly.
Mom, you know you're gonna those like corn pits. Look at Mr. Fun.
Okay, go.
Oh, great. This Canada Day is going great. Happy Canada Day, everybody. The PizzaQue is great. The pizza's great. I enjoy my family. I love you all. See? Thank you, PizzaQue. Thank you, Canada. No hot sauce. No hot sauce.
Go get it. You didn't get
Happy
it.
Canada Day, everybody. Ooh. Miss Fun.